Right, mutegeri wa Weru TV karibu ndene ya mubango yako gukia rukirura ria very beautiful morning ndi na wirigira ati gukira bwaga tukerua ritu na mheshimiwa Julius Mbijewe ni mutongoria wa kiama kia Nopeu na no mutongoria wa Meru New Dawn tukere manto ya witi na mbere na siasa ndene ya county ya Meru. So far kwethe tukena makarika mwanya ndene ya county ya Meru. Lot of things have happened. Manto mengi munu ya karikite ndene ya county ya Meru kwena mechamanio ya Karen ya karikire na thereafter kwethe kwena another meeting at night na thereafter kwa mechamanio ngi yure kwethe yuithiri center ya kwaria manto ya Meru na tongereba Meru bonekana kwaria in one voice. After that thereafter kwena mambo ya mbere ndene ya court ya igie impeachment ya governor Kawira Mwangaza uroe kikitini na conservative orders na Mwangaza hii bado yamba no toetere tariki 14 lakini kwena mechamanio ya okolea iweta na mbere ile kuonania rwari rwa governor and for the first time tona governor kia covered na National Media House which has never happened before in okolea programs. What is cooking? Tena Julius Mbijewe aturia mengi kabisa. Karibu mnene.
Thank you so much, Karen.
Good to see you.
Asante sana.
Long time.
Long time no see.
Terege TV ne so many years ago.
Actually Meru TV. Those days. Negida mano.
Good to see you.
But I'm happy that now we are back.
Yes. TV na kairi tokara kameme na kisasa tumerudi kwa TV.
Kakameme ni nyako no ya TV na kidogo, karege kidogo, angai 10 minutes. Nyako ikaenda kaongerwa time. Ndiko meketho no kumeando still kana somebody else. Nyongerwa time ega kinyagino ndeka 20. Tukasonia rege kidogo.
Okay mwanya.
Yeah, exactly.
That one on Friday. Friday tuko na kitu mzuri kama hiyo ito Friday vibes. Kwa hivyo Friday manto ya okay atokara rumbo kidogo timbaya.
Kidogo bwana.
Good to see you.
Thank
now,
you.
katuchoke ndene account ya Meru. Kuna chume kimokithiri twari na mchamanio Karen.
Yeah.
You are deputy president. Etite atongeria wa Meru. Opinion leaders na kinyaka riba Meru to share na kware manto ya maendeleo nguire president Ruto promise rich ni ile chiari kuitera president Kenyatta chi stalled projects. Na tomba kwetha yamba kwetha ya carry rain details. Anything tombe kwa expect from that meeting? Kama tuna tombe kwa expect from that meeting?
Well, ibega sana ngodi nang kethie athikirie bonde na rabari mchamano yuju areo na ukari kana riria deputy president ari Meru kiumia kimwe mbere riria ari Immense South na gwetere mandre mchamano yuju nuga hakethena around 3000 na is true ibale around that figure on the nyenda atendre.
Okay,
I was also there. Na mchamano yuju etere bubwega and basically every constituency ne ugire priority projects chiao urabenda kuthithirwa na baka gwetari munyiri kwendelea kuthithwa. So basically professor getera arereza arauga atiri muno ntu ba concentrate kiri kuthithwa no ntu already tengeri mbeca kuthithia but new project banenkanire ile kuthithwa ni thirikari. So for us is a wait and see tukiri gaira that nontu no ugire na chianenkanwa kandamnasia watu everybody else then kwirigira ikethe ikithithwa. In any case netere father a team ireka ikaja na feedback ne atene kugwakinyira na akomba guchemania no ugira gachemania no after 3 months,
right,
or maybe that together gachemania no. So basically now that ikwagire team ekomba kwithwa gachemania mwira the progress then batu tuina nyawa tukotrakinyira professor tuina team nye kuria ri atwe constituency togire 1 2 3 things ekinyare ko aje bubute kuthitheka bubukuthitheka. So we only expect for now that ekathitheka
don't gashagwa so bit about it on Sunday ekwentere Gembe North na awo timahane antu etanto ngirida to Karen nwe raisi kwa ground kona what is happening na mingwe mbidrika rutite Mwangaza ayu na turabete Karen bara yongirithano maybe none chia kungirithano
idone fai iyo mwenda arumira kana no ne idano bwa
girani chere ni chianto na kwa some other regions kura kwite such delegations kwa ngirie komi in a way that kenda kwa ni Meru kidogo left out kana na dharura ya Meru bangirithano mabeta Karen ubeka madhaya 5 yet kwa riamanto already thirikari ikomea ntibasainire to economic blocks charter ile barari iterera campaigns. What do you say about that?
Well, okay, either way mbere ambambirie na kuga atiri Gachagua the former deputy president na ugire bamiru bayro ngiri 5 county zile ingi mochi ya komingi cia 20 bu untina prove ntikomenya whether it's true or not ke there uma then it was wrong ke kunenkera meru 5000 na kunenkera nengi 10000 no ntine kisa atu for example no to compare na imoja Kiambu
yes
meru is ne nyongu meta kuraja nkurukia mbio ya Kiambu
so kinya transport
although also at the same time
yes
mbasi sire cia kamatere anto na chichiare yo no thirikari.
So the office of the deputy president no mere kinyankara mantu kumamira gwita no ba kitengare magutechete no
exactly
right.
Tingara muntu achuzaga na utumira gari ku private with this upon you utakwende kwa ile kwena anything extra so ntije ketha no mbako thande tumeta gutuka ichi 5000 I don't know but kukaja gutwika then ikwa ina that disparity 10 ngia 5000 akwethera kwena if there was ntikomenya the figures then my question then goes this way with all due respect Nyaki is the former deputy president niki nonto kwa issue re anto be tabakuma meiro beta no na ite kwa issue re ba Kiambu kana another county beta no
nonto atarisire in question about it
exactly. Kana tuginyoke that atarisire that time tukuya crazy meiro aende kuga niki nonto counties iretwa no meiro yetwa no Kiambu yetwa no Tharaka-Nithi yetwa no watukana fionde
at least nako
exactly why specifically Meru County na ninya kuya ndimo Meru nyani nkona unyeo
na definition ya Martha Koome kwingwa getene
na ugire issue
yes no ntugire Martha Koome target na rera president okay akuthokenga Martha Koome ria Nairobi okay Jamiru he gave out the terms actually amro kara Nairobi usikanyange Meru don't come to Meru you stay Nairobi okay akunga Martha Koome wachana ule ni mama pambana na mimi mwanaume
na ndiri
na no mbingire woni antu barakira
yes
kwa mwite kuthiria mwirigagiro kwethire president no mbingire antu barakira ndi Koome wengene no what do you read in Gachagua statements?
I read this nikinonto waku na ngirwe anto barakira nikinonto bawe umete nyire na bubangi ko bakirire akwingwa but na kwenda Meru yo in demonstrate na mitongerete no uga no ugire
no to you
migambe wenkugira okay batakirire lakini batademonstrate batandamana yes na ndiga uga kala uga we mantu ja kuandamana okay kuandamana is a democratic right under the constitution
yes
very true maybe only that maybe it will not called by mto position ya kwethira deputy president maybe that way no it will not talk very well but gutetera Martha Koome I also support kwethira kirungama agatetera Martha Koome mtu na ingugi dikino ntubu kwenda kumwenga nukuona so to me that's also a thing
but should it be political? I think kuta judge in constitutional process.
It is a constitutional process. It's very clear the process monkanya formation of a committee ko investigate and all that mandu ya judicial service commission mongage president all that is very clear, is constitutional but utiomba neo kuligeria politics o mekwarwa
sure
nonto as much as the constitutional nkaigwa ngondi na kwingwa nyagwa tuika atuga ajo kwa director etagwa Marete nukuona it is all depends on the director Marete go choose whether gukana na ngondi or not.
Very true.
Lakini ndi Julio na Laome nukumia no mbigwe ngondi na lengirwe no ngondi muchore ngabiro gitata mononkure nikino ngondi alengirwe
na utena capacity
nukuona ko muchokia lakini ngagita
in Kiraitu Murungi they don't match a lot. Munya and Linturi King at the same time yabo kisiasa kidogo but by not by interest. You know, there's political interest. Right? Na their own political affiliations cha kisiasa. Iboonekana that day cool and seated in the same table. What is cooking?
First of all, meeting area.
No. They just to indone mbiche kusama within the same meeting. Yes. I saw you ndone bicheku somewhere within the same meeting. So meaning you are in that meeting as an opinion leader from MC.
Okay, thank you
in that capacity.
Thank you God. Mbere ya muchairman yura professor tanite official residency we kabera bere yo aurusinde yetu rumously non toka nderi formally that njo muchemanio ne
okay
no lakini ndayetwe rumorsly mantu ya muchemanio jomba kwithira as at time to jomba kwithira julio.
So as the twena muchemanio you are deputy president kwari na komba kwithia kwina another meeting as at that moment
mbere ya muchemanio deputy president jogwetwa let me put it another way mbere deputy president nyagweta muchemanio jwa we nyaja eja immense Saudi agweta mantu muchemanio jwa we muchemanio jwa leaders ijwa agweta kwa mbere.
Alright.
That kwina possibility ya muchemanio jwa leaders together basically jwa aragu mantu elected leaders and former leaders ba county
right.
You just mentioned Munya, you know, Kiraito, Mithika, right? So nande nio the deputy president no akoro muchemanio jwawe on a Tuesday. Now to me it was also good that Jojo either the same Tuesday non to linda so already there is also the issue of saving also the resources and all that. Yes. Then but you combine that Jojo kudira mudenya then better you
transit night
in the evening.
Right.
So basically ijuju agweti mbere eyo deputy president yakikirajwawe.
Right.
Yes.
So what is cooking? I mean
that is about unity, which I also support. Non to nyani mbita kwa namba position as injurio.
Right.
I support so much. Non to kwa utwika ukinyanto amagwa twika akrivals. Pakutwike na our rivalry kando. Kitikira nkwenda na ugo na ugo na ugo. Tuyemede to discuss manto Jamiru as a county and for all those other millions barabali nyuma yao. That to me is leadership. So that I support. Kumba kwithira bagichemanagia or tugichemanagia muzo alinda my own capacity na kwariria mantu ya Meru moving forward kethira netite bwega tugitik kethira netite bwega tugitik bwega and therefore kenda ita bwega. This is our opinions. This is what we want.
Kwa Julie kwa na divergent opinion. You taken yes and your team you in the meeting. Even though you, we're na team you, we're na team you are in that meeting. That is the Kreito, Munya, and Mithika Linturi and members of the county assembly. Never attended that meeting that evening. In Kona Governor Kibu refers political terrorists. I saw posts in her personal official page. Ya governor, Kawira Mwangaza. I created Mbiche Kreito. Bicha ya Munya na Linturi awete political terrorists. I saw that post. And na imanyala no mira akiwa that meeting ne ku intimidate the president and his deputy nto tubuko mbikya kwetha kwina muchamanio Karen yoko are mantoya ngwataniro kuringa ni manyala atawure manto maendeleo. He talked of ngwataniro. Then at night Buitaringibu conspire against what was happening in Karen. You go and discuss other things. What do you say about that?
First of all, it is within the democratic right wakili Mugambi Manyara kuga his sentiment. Him as a voter, him as a leader, na capacity yawe. He has all the right. In any case, ndo nenyo akiarangi nyamanto kidogo, akiarinya kwa rais siasa cia Meru na Kenya, na kalimanto ya president, alimanto ya Raila rale issue na all that. So it's okay for him to give his opinions. Then number two, there's nothing wrong at all in my thinking. Utiki wrong at all kia kwithira twali muchemani deputy president about development and about even unity ya Meru, and then nagwita muchemani ndi jwa Meru as leaders without the deputy president kwalia toletwe a Meru.
Right.
Nothing wrong with that, and as far as I'm concerned. No, in any case, most of the people, baba ni muchemani one, you cannot tugenya ponde, sometime baralingirwa kura. Kuna baralingiri bali kunandi, kana bangi banalingirwa, not even the three leaders we're talking about, baralingirwa kura as you say.
Yes.
So, there is nothing absolutely wrong for them to sit and talk. Ende, about political terrorists.
Yes, governor, to be specific, governor said it.
Yes.
KPJW. Past official page governor. Kawira. And get the political terrorists.
To me, that is out of order completely.
Is he interested in unity with other leaders? Terrorists?
Kulini atiri, nikino ntubo bangi bombo chemana, watu bombo chemana nabo. Nonto kando na.
political rivalry maybe kwa sababu mwelewani nonto hata invited in the same meeting Karen nonto kithi ngoja kithi ngwatana ya Meru kithi political interest wiko kando nonto ba maendeleo ya Meru why was she not part of
nonto nwe already not ongere yuja Meru
na Karen she was in Karen kwa deputy president it was just a matter of kumwira kwena mchamani ya tuite munene nonto the rest of us are meeting
na ndi nonto nwe already Kimiru no tongere tilinda shibwiri Meru iwiyete boboe menya kauga ira gite boboe kana boboe ni tembaya ngira no metongeretie then myono hete nyeto karangi ikarangu nyawe leadership yule ni te boboe utumba kwitokera ria ni te boboe uroko wariria ria it's not possible aya ukugweta yes is true na ri muchemani jwa Karen atucoka joka nyuma kidogo ge county zire ingi cieta kwa deputy president nondu ira televised by Weru ikona nua this and this Linda talking unge akaria unge kwa maoni yao na finally then the deputy president talks. I think that is how it has been. Meru is different completely. No kona deputy president no waririe and then the constituencies watu tikareta ntato ciao na batu mtu kwaria they were at liberty to choose from themselves kana ye MP himself na eventually on the MPs which was okay in the day pau bangi kutwe waria pau bangi ndigo bao ikwali na Kirito Murungi ikwali na Kawira Mwangaza ikwali na Reverend Mutuma ikwali na other leaders ojora mechema nyere other counties pau bangi baragia pau bangi nabo bataririe kiuria niki now ukiomba kwanza kile kiu ukomba kwanza kia niki nondo ni nani na mjema yo ategete atete nyenye na
no this was deputy president's decision ni ari discussion yo kwa no Karin barabari Karen bari ageni ba deputy president right
yes
na nari na discretion ekuwa Judy na Rongame you have take the microphone ari yanto whatever you want to say
yes
right now akiakwithaka choose nonto bwena siasa ingi Meru
nonto
na bwena ndo chienu no Meru
yes
boya kurungama bukanja kurumana for example kana bukacha ni endoni na tekwenda mchamani yo Karen yo kara political rally of which Mithika Lenture described it in the morning then Weru FM the same day na I could describe that one as a political rally meeting that morning na criticized that morning so why did the governor of Meru nontorea delegation ya Trakarindi yetre indonere ataya senetaria women rep wa Kanya Kawearia the governor spoke
sure
why Meru's case governor Tombre Kwaria who is the head of delegation the entire team whether the governor whether the katase governor whether the katase MP lakini the leader of Meru is the governor why did the governor talk
nonto bwa o political rivalry tukugira na ura mantu ya Meru na wakirwa omba kurungamara wita kwaria akaugiro nyiba bangi bali on the ground ya Jojo there was that possibility na ne isire ku demonstrate nonto ria deputy president ya gwetere governor nonto no agwetere mbere ya deputy governor which is okay kulinga leadership account akomugweta none na ugirirwe agushangiriwa
which is
very okay alingirwa mpe David ngavana akogwetwa alingirwa mpe nkoroki ukaligana ntu bagono igwe antu babatero ugeni igwe because there was no room nya kobera
yes
and in any case deputy president waragia ni onaniria atiri the feeling of the people nonto this what the majority were saying more than uju ura ugirirwe na ntu babari toka bonde baretine ngavana nari na baba bararetete maybe deputy bawe MPs bao they got people ba yukirianto tuna wo
in their constituencies
exactly
right
na nuko ndi baba inge ba kweja ba that statement ni onaniriere the kind of tension yareo kilimo cha manager and why the deputy president ya choose antu abakaria kuja kuleta problem
now katuchoke mchamani no your Karen after deputy president's meeting mchamani yo Karen Kadhuri Murungi was not there dikana Kadhuri na atire mchamani yo Karen kwa deputy president areta kurura senate mtobwa ishire the king na reo but Senate tari in session igitama chamani otuka kire. And after that meeting Kaduri gave a statement. I think through his Facebook account. I came in a chamani yuma after Karen that night. Though finally Naira Chamani Meru, which Munya did not attend. Yomiru.
Yeah.
What is going on? Kako ina differences among us kinyeki tumu chamania. Non to the first one, your Karen Utuko, whichever location you are, Kaduri did not attend. But the rest MPs attended na bubonde na munya na baonabo. Kaduri attended. Na yo menererie.
Yeah.
Later on, kwa chamani odhiri. This past this week, actually each week imepita. Kwa ya mchamanio, MCAs, Medeka was there, Kerito was there, but Munya was not there.
Yeah.
Kakuna differences still among us the same leadership, obubo ika political differences aside, kakuina bado kuina nroa, idioche kisiasa chichini ya maji tutekwa leo.
Nandi, mbugire mwambiri that mchaman your leaders, you ene the kereti mbere mchaman deputy president juja. So deputy president yere nyuma. So you abangi you kadhidwa. Katika tena deputy president ya ukoro mchaman, of course mongoja you first presidents.
Okay.
Jojo awe. Nandi joete ukoro latha tweta inyatwe in that meeting. Now, during that meeting, now utiko msema ni wagwete ukela jole lakini maybe you take date and something.
Yes.
Nitiko ndakuwa na authority nonto. I was not part of the arrangement of the meeting. So you take a date. So na ndejo kweja jojo deputy president. Then while in that meeting, maybe not. Kwa na communication now muchema jojo tutogireteri to tuchema ni nyona arua now that tuli aja tuinde.
Right.
Now unfortunately,
but Munya was not in Karen. Atari Karen
yeah, I'm coming to that. Right. I'm coming to that. Unfortunately, at this meeting, you kidira deputy speaker, who is the senator Meru, na aliagwita gikawa, as you have said. Agwita kuwatira na, and I think even the professors talking about it.
Yes.
Agwita na alia. So ataliaki this consultation. Uninda ali bunge, ndirasa in the county assembly of Meru. Na even over and above the assembly, even beyond the assembly, after the assembly. Kuna many consultations, the speaker, and all that. So ntomba ko rule out possibility ya kwithira atiri speaker no to know kali sitting as the end, the deputy speaker as the end of that team that morning that afternoon in the Senate, then there must have been, maybe there was issues nyesho chiombere ko watu wantu aliko ago communicate kwa na muchemani lakini no imbiarinde kwa presidents no muchemani no sitting sire terego present over in the Senate at that moment. Now na ndiko tukamusema usually that evening assuming that evening ndiko akitabonge magwitanwa then the other thing was to call Munya kana anybody else who was supposed to be in this meeting maybe Kiraito and all that now then they were also available bomba gwita muchema njura nukuona ndio ngino kana official duty then nande there was a comment as you have said later senator, which is okay, is within his rights. Ne atia kuna muchemani ntekomenya na tutiginde yo professor na eno kuigwa netere official dute owe nwejire go correct wejire go correct I think yesterday
yes
na uga ntaize ne atia kwa chemani to that day lakini andi ndramenyere na ndiamona leaders bank kile muchemani bakita atia benderete no kalika na on ntukwere ya muchemani jwa theri the chairman of the members of parliament Mheshimiwa Ridikiri na ugere apologies na I remember akiweta apology ya Munya na akiweta apology ya Senator Kaduri Ndonge. So as it stands now they are together. Maybe that time there was miscommunication. And
now after those meetings kuna speculations that what you're planning ni kuikemeru in the opposition. This message came clearer from the sitting governor Kawira Mwangaza. Michamani ni okay interchange again so I mean no Dimenti on Sunday Ben Okolea Michamani Euro for the first time you're covered National Media House ara Okolea covered anywhere in National Media House for the first time naomba kuida akwamba kuna akemenerium no timuro karandi para bakadira Michamani after Karen they went to another Karen meeting and then Michamani deri you're bawire ne kama kubanga wiki miru in the opposition na Kawira had a question kwa kioria posere auria ntuba no Dimenti aboria do you want abo kwanda utonye ndani opposition imbi opposition yatwa? Is that the direction you want to take Meru? You and your team abo kwanda ukia Meru kia opposition boma kia support thirikari onto kawira ura akoruto na kende kio tiuma inyo thirikari ire kwatha Kenya na niyo into be Meru bikauma ki thirikari so you and the team Munya Kiraitu and Kiraitu is also serving in the government and Ametheka Dentori and members of the 47 members of the county assembly kabwanda wike Meru in the opposition. How will Meru benefit in the opposition?
MPs nyabi bara respond regoro who are part and parcel of this leadership.
I think were they not responding to Gachagua's?
Yes, na kiko responding to Gachagua but very clearly totikuma thirikari ne.
Okay.
I remember also their chairman Rindikiri icho kinye mwere nyere kwa weru akiuga turi thirikari ne gukara no thirikari no matunda jari. So to somebody else kuga baria leaders bara bakubanga gwikia antu kiri upinzani kiri opposition within a democratic right kuga u ukuona nambo kwena reasons ira na kuwa kwenda kuga u mbona kenda onaniria de akwie muno na president ndende bara yi upinzani bari this is normal politics nukuona so aliuga u for her own political gain.
Is she playing her? Is she cowboy smart in terms of gather numbers on the ground, of which the national leadership right now based on numbers.
Based on numbers.
Who has numbers? Julia na numbers aina numbers chompakura. Dengo di president go di Julio ndamo thingata atotania Julio. Kona kura in that particular region ya kuria Julia Tongerete kana betencho opponent to Julio nombe kiompa numbers chao counter Julio's political wave na impa numbers in the next coming elections because that's the game I see. That's my personal opinion.
Yes. It's true, always is about numbers in politics. Na ruwa ngodi kwena thina sana nyao goko umarara mutindwa ugeta antu muchemanione no kaba promesi nyabone nyamaga na atano atakana nyabane akamutu muntu atukala akamutu kala muntu akaja muchemaniyo it's normal.
All right.
No monkeje no ndo lizwe ganto akomba kwa anako so no monkana mbachije. This is not necessarily the votes.
Yes,
it's not necessarily
crowd in politics, of course, we don't translate to votes, but
yes,
they can
come. Intelligence ni area okukunde minyone ne da find facts and figures.
Sure.
Are these people coming because they want this person or bejite kenda boma kabecha ka kana bejite kenda bona kamutukana all that everybody else are open inywe kuthithia muchema ni jwa inywe akaba nenkira kethe na bibya kunenkanira bigatumanya obeja muchema nione. So it's not necessarily the numbers that come out there is a translating to votes. So the issue about outsmarting, no, I deny that. I deny that. Indi rimtu ero mandibuti no kumakaja na hiyo odheri akuga ambe yatunja juki mandibuti aja tu
kwete kura mariana
aja juki kuna mariana kwa ura no ngekira but na nditaka ambiche kwithira atiri ntukwira ambiche tumi mtandaone very clear. On one hand county moe ngari yau egwita kuthithia dialysis to the people reaching them on the ground na ala bari versus ne county Meru na gwe tugirite mandibut. Are we in the same world? That is a problem that we are having in Meru. Na kwena thina sana. So it's not an issue about outsmarting the numbers. Ikiethera wina ganto ge kunenkeri anto. The issue about going to the opposition anto bara ba go sit itutu buita go sit oni wo na wo ngito ba to get opposition to choose ba to get opposition
which is a democratic right.
In democratic right te oni mpomba gukwira wogwe ka wete the opposition no ango kuthoganiria how ndai in your mind. It's not possible. So it's just politics. Yeah.
Now kawira nindi no kawira na shape in that angle. There is this case going on in court though te boya kwa area manto kotini njare kwa area no on media. But indone mawakili county assembly ba find on to raise irrelevant objections. Kaki si obumira?
As you said, we could discuss merits and demerits ya kesi kotini. Lakini njanji na ugete na very constrainous time frames cia kumba kurikiria igamba riu no ukariko that hearing ewirite kwitheri one day njuma lakini eta monka Monday no ntumante tumbere kurikia so na confines within which abwete kuthakirikia this matter na karakiwa objections ikendelea kwa raised na ndi it was within his mandate as the judge and the control of the court kendomba kunyia migambo yaendelea gutuka ati give what should happen na akinenkanira kiri wakili umwe wakili urongi no okire gutetera ongi au kira gutetera ongi na ndino enjaji amuria ugo no ntutura we urona wakili okirite kureta objection kana kuga anything judge already agitangaza ruling akiuga ruling kawetaira monka mwisho na eno amuringa fine no kaire no ndubwako but then the same judge na chokera araba kanya kako bathikira kidogo akurikia kuga ruling yewe no bathikira na avarire judgment yewe ya fine au more kwa ngiri 10 America ngiri 5 even that also ni kuonia goodwill that toka ya issue about vendetta kana kuatania issue about the law
kwina this argument that 14th will come and go na tugokera rukirite bado twethire gavana ni mama
migambo ni raugirwe ni champion wa side irengi
na ni wakili na no gukuthetera manto ya
absolutely right. Yes na kiuria na tiri ni wabwite kuga kana tiu no wabwite kuga no ntuno no okalitie as wakili no kalitie no client yowe ati myako ila client yowe ukana ura client yokuteana if I'm a lawyer today na ukuja nkurepresent case ni ntija nkwira wenko na case ukaruzi na ngwiki mpita courtini watu ngukura ukaruzi ntibinye ankwira na tutika na case iriko but the sheer fact that ngeta court no mkakwira ugashinda so no wabwite kuga
but Mugambe is not in the bars, maybe it's behind the back kainyume Mugambe tekako why is leading counsel na mutuma
lakini nwekire migambo yewe augire no kalite court ndo ne migambo yewe
kari augire no kalite court
so na ndito bakuru out kwethira atri is true what he is saying that mantu ya court no rungamirite kana kalite maybe kutambuka kali chairman wa lawyers ba you know ba kwaliria mama or something like that so no uabwite kuga no nto about client wawe
right
na no side ingine yaka about client wao where for ni isaidia inge na yono monka ka kesi yono tugashinda
right
monka ya jaji akamgiva judgment
tarehe 14 yes. Now bere tokinya tarehe 14 Julius kwina this developmental tours cha president is going across na mero to chero mno to na ruto na he's our president
yes
to chero mno do you expect him anytime soon for developmental tour not in a church gathering kana mathikone developmental tour yontire tukubanara kwa president teto sainwe cha coast I don't know which they were there is a certain president from another country but to sign about a deal about 30 billion cha kuanjiria ngai economic zone in that region coastal region when do you expect to have such things in Meru?
If I can recall migambo ya deputy president augire akuga mantu ya project nyeji mono na era MPs bauga all the projects augire atiri arenda president eja kurugora murandi fulani jojo arikia tikolonti jo amberia
so when is that because when is that because I cannot identify one project that is ongoing it almost completion kana iri kuna koko
it therefore means mbonka jo
kazi kinye university re na ara century menti ira promise Mariene University iri kinya half quarter you come from century menti yourself.
I come from there.
Kuna anything going on?
Okay, structure is already na mbeti chia rombi na chia promise around 500 million if my memory no sabwega 500 million.
Ndio mashimo ngochini akitheta akiwa aicha promise ni takinya.
Ichete ya monkanandi. So possibly ninga ikeja toktere for example radio yo Mariene kulingana na migambo deputy president ikumaanisha maybe 500 ya ambite kweja ikarikia ngugi aria so that the president akija au Mariene specific
akaita kurugora project a complete
project so to me I was also support ejeria yita kurugura murandi juri ikitie yes
within Meru. Siasa ya Meru. Come to this governor Mwangaza. Now kwina a lot of tension. Ontario na magamba 79. I had she say 79. Ntijin imbi yake impeachment. Young yo I cannot tell. Nanga rere forgery. Rere forgery signature ya former legal advisor. I don't know how that case went. Na wira na so many cases pamukirita magamba na bora mi frame as in the case genuine neke kiri ni political terrorist bau iye kiri magamba what kind of cases do the county government of Meru has kana kawire in person as a governor and ayo ili kuringanizwa na Munya Kirito kana Lenturi isipokuwa the impeachment impeachment ni me Senate na county assembly I don't see where the Kiritos and the rest are coming in the 7 now that's one case 78.
First of all, I'm at a loss. Now, I understand this case is guiding and anon today. This time, I'm going 79.
Yes.
At the Senate, the committee area, I will 800 cases. In
800
court.
cases.
10 times.
10 times.
So I don't know which one is right. However, nitekuitikanya case ichi onde chamantu ya wikirwa. Kangwe the 4 cases. Kwena case ya Public Service Board. Tepo mbondi yetre kotini.
Ni kawire yetre kotini wangwa. Very true.
Kwena case ya CEOs ba microfinance. Tepo yetre kotini. Kawire yetre kotini. Kwena case ya Investment Corporation. Ikawire yetre kotini. Kwena case ya chairman of Revenue Board. Not chairman, CEO of Revenue Board, Dr. Ntoiti. Kawira wetre kotini. Kwena case ya CEO wa Halcom Board. The case is in court. Kawira wetre kotini. Kwena case ya this aja town di kwa gida manto ya what they call marshals or something.
Traffic marshals.
Yes. No wetre kotini. So it is not true.
Ikawira nwete kotini wengo ko seek redress in court.
Yes.
Teka ditangi, no ditangene.
Yes.
Right.
Petitioner. Yes. Na nteko rule out kwida na kwena cases zingi na chio ando na wabete kotini bakiditanga county. So among the cases zinko kwetwa
kinya wengwa na ichikite wengwa. Right.
Yeah.
So akiwa na magamba enekiri kinya wengwa ko ichikirite.
Na court na county ya lose cases. Inye yuche kuikia. Ya lose cases. Inye ya Virginia o secretary of service board.
Na pesa inapotea huko.
4 million shillings.
Let's go back there. Kwa service delivery.
Yes.
Kawira as governor for 2 years now. Miaka ilinende na counting. Monto still she's in office. Manka otherwise ruled in courts. 14th either endere kana otherwise. Service delivery na muritiro yangu wa Kawira Mwangaza as a governor of Meru, as a CEO of Meru, manager wa resources cha Meru for the past 2 years. Quick programs I can identify and I want you to give me your opinion. MYS hii kitu ndo meno na nterecha Machakos na ndo na bado the same issue nterecha Muranga koirongo ngate Muranga bonde bena MYS Irombi from Meru the original MYS umete Meru Machakos then at the second intake I've seen Muranga do something else na MYS within Muranga Youth Service where is Meru Youth Service na ndo na kinya Muranga baichu the first gentleman are in charge of something within MYS Meru. What happened?
Murega Baichu was the Atangasiwali patron of Meru Youth Service.
Right.
Meru Youth Service. Meru Youth Service is dead. Nenku. Nekwire.
Kote intakes, kote mbi, kote is nothing?
Nothing. Kira kikirio negamba lireo kire au Meru Youth Service yare. Na nyalo le ambelirwe no county.
So what igambare about what? Land?
Munda. Because the issue was the county na kanisa Catholic na Mbugoro na Monkanya videos hiyo ya conversation ya nga battery ba itamisa ora bakenda all that so Meru Youth Service that umegitaru iyo ya kwire na nyambecha yakiri in the last financial year kiri budget I mean,
ibekere mbeche in the budget?
Yes.
And it doesn't exist?
Yes.
How?
Yes,
so becho chigetana
utino chiumba kulita ninga baka ile supplementary budget. Ninga supplementary budget ga guchirita no nonto utengo gikethe at all igaikwa elsewhere. Actually kwethira nyasi kwena CEO monkana ande no abwithinya kwethira ai indute zingi
arungamirite mbi the CEO
because it's not operation at all. So abwithinya kwethira ikitwa ndenge ukethira kiritango ndengi as a government officer. Nonto it is zero. Na nimero ne ambirete mbere Machakos ne embrace na yeta mbere Murangana ingi. Yes,
actually this year.
Yes,
I saw it Murangana
ndone nye televised by Citizen live.
Yes,
ikiro nagia. So yetu it dead te waki mero idi service iri dead captain. Mero microfinance eji ekweja na mbecha Brainchild in Kenya.
Hold it there. Meru microfinance Dendo mewatane the statement. Indonere baki advertise bakiwa baichu something financial whatever. Kwenda program a financial na credit na kwa na loans na nambi financial management or something baichu the first gentleman. Ntekwa lokedi sako I bank kai corporation to replace the Meru microfinance.
It's so funny.
Na at the same time hiyo pesa inatoka wapi kienda allocate in that angle na cha allocate no ichi account kanicha mtu kiumbe ambiriti his own financial firm.
Na ndiko by design on default kwithira microfinance ya Meru yakua na yeu na ndi gutaba ichuni ya okira
ndiko na insurance
na maybe ewe ntumba kwaliria wayo muno ntikumenya and what business lakini ndiko ni personal is purely private lakini yeye na account niyo it's completely dead na yakwire nonto wa gutonyerwa riria leadership yogire atiri Meru microfinance nethiru etina any purpose from that time yambirie kwinama na document ikwa assembly regarding the same niname na harua anto ibare yagwa muchara lakini there is no work na nyumba no ikombo
kwa rinya na ofisi
it is still there nyumba ile ya consolidated bank ya ni county it's still there na and you know what wotuikaga etumara 80 million na yeka realize 74 million so ikaleta loss 6 million na still inyambe chireti ya ni tikomba kuthinga tona arora kiranto baraba echo so Meru microfinance in Meru it's dead. Meru Investment Corporation, it was a brilliant idea na ambiriti ambere Meru in the whole country bangi bejere kodoma kuma
yare benchmarking actually I remember
exactly. It is zero. It does nothing other than yakikole amechara tu alitingoge babali obisine
abaitanguge mbi if it is not functional
ne ukaro obisine
kodoma galeti
no nto alitibanguge badirikai na we county tiga investment corporation bonde nguge out today ikodoma galeti kibara bomba kugurirwa ndo chinji tumbanya kugurwa.
What are you trying to tell me? I'm saying to tell me Meru County is not functional anto burutapa karandi obisine who works
ndienda kuratire ngodi muntu on department neje uge the contrary information not all I know is that Antoberi kwandi go saina yukungetine na go saina wakinyora obisini oga saina kenda ensure that ukurimina officine no saini ukiumara so, but do what nothing in department ile kulitango ngodi neriko I mean we need to be challenged and be told neje kulitango goteo ikolitango so we are in crisis.
Meru is paralyzed.
Completely, Captain.
But we have officers in government.
For example,
when Governor Robichine, Deputy Governor Robichine, what do you call them? Chief officers in office. Now have a staff within every department to make sure the county is running, serving the people of Meru. I mean, okay, whether what are they doing in office? Okay, whether all these things the way you allege. Okay, whether what you're saying is true, then those Meru County should be.
We are in problems. No, the department chief officer, CEC, but you know what? The completed the morale is down. Ntikwenda gwita direction ya kuwa kama ntoya bioro bya without to be akora na mbia gitendoji and all that tikwenda gwita that direction itikaija kaire that is akakwina personal thing katucho okay yake utenda kazi department atuge clean budget budget nethithirwe budget yako thwa angipaja na example nenkanite 100 million shillings with the wisdom of the assembly nekirite 100 million shillings cia kuandika nurses for instance
Right.
nurses bara bagwita kuandikwa bakambi budget ino ntwere from 1st July pakethe bakire aba mechara ne kinyire monkan December bateandiki at all reason nonto ni public service board ira yatangaza ngugene ile wikwa kotini now ndo bakigire December it means mbeche ile ciabwita ko bara ya mechara okeja kuthibia ile ngugine ichiare budgetine so as at today ile budgetine
Right.
now that bataitira ngugi from July to December mbeche itaritira ngugire cia tenderi cia rengeri budgetine. Are we there? So it is not possible for that money to work at all. Inyaba kaandikwa na arua na says kana another department kaandika some other people but bakuri wanambecha ile nonto cia tengi cia kuandika nurses from 1st July to December. So the only way go siritandeo iga ikondera chiomba kulitanguge
Ikarialoketwa.
now. Yes, na njira na supplementary budget kenda itanderea ikienda engi. Na nayo itiomba kuthithwa na itiomba gwikwa assembly nonto ni account ni ukira assembly. So then mbesi yikaakiriraing department you cannot work. Kwe amba ina nindi ingi for example ndawa tutiomba kurea ndawa tu over 100 million debt. Yeah, over 100 million kwa KEMSA. Over 100 million shillings. Nonto priority igitare yabwirete kwetha mbesa sinenkari cia ndawa itanenkanirwa ndio kwendengi cietere mbesa cia exchange hands.
How do they exchange hands? And you say itumba kumana nga supplementary budget keje chika.
Ndikwira atiri for example mbesa ciekiri cia ndawa.
Yes.
Ciurite kugura ndawa.
Yes.
Alright? Cigwikirwa ni assembly cia kugura ndawa. Ugo choose utegura ndawa uwe. Ugo choose utegura ndawa. Instead ugo maybe to the Department of Lands.
Okay.
Ugo the Department of Lands ili wikiri cia land maybe cia kuthithia market. Kwera contractor fulani give a proposal urete with the market nambi akuthithia that akuleta fictitiously nontungwire talitwa on that road or on that market lakini company eventually ikuri wa mbecha ngugitira litwa lakini mbecha ikuma aja ujo.
I see.
Mbecha iche umaja nontotengu ikulitete na area is a matter of contractor ona kitu fulani theingi na chigweta kile mantu na ujo kwetha kirwa omenaliko. So as a result then department ikwa crippled and I want to say for free Captain Gondi no officers baba tenda akwalia the department in Meru County are dead. Kile mantu yo operation yango zero.
Do you have a government?
Almost zero.
Do you have a government?
The government is dead.
But the governor is still in office.
Governor is still in office. You know, as of today, to be the budget 2025-2026.
Yes.
Actually, by 28, I think it's Friday.
It's Friday.
It our county physical strategy paper with the assembly. Yeah, budget 2025-2026. But zero non-to development plan theta. So even moving forward, we can't move.
Then Dwayne katika governor na members of the county assembly.
Yes.
That misunderstanding.
Yeah.
Already governor na 22 members of the county assembly.
Yeah.
On her side.
Yeah.
On the other end we have 47 baraba against the governor. Meaning they are the majority na no bombe kyo mukulukira this the 22 patimutethia. Meaning mero tutarabera kumia because there is kutena ngwatana teteka executive na legislation that the county assembly the Meru. Who suffers? Meru.
Mwananchi.
So how is not Meru yaketate kumau if for example if governors stay in office is upheld on 14th tukatana korea this kind of for the remaining part of the term ya miaka Meru it non-functional as you allege na department ite utangugi mbeche chiachuro umebwachio chiatumira burite ko benefit mo Meru. How is Meru going to be what kind of Meru county do you expect to have between now Kinyaki Seke ya kufavor Governor Mwangaza who is in office who is leading the current government still in a non-functional department? Do you expect it to function after 14th? Kana 47 ile atauka ye mukulukiri bila kwenda.
As long as she remains in office, then as long as utina ngwataniro na the members of the county assembly then the county will remain non-functional. Na county anto bakiendelea kuumia. Of course, a meaning mwananchi. Nonto, if things cannot happen in the assembly, then inanangi bigakurukiwe no assembly. Number two, inyakirinde kwa executive. As long as gutina ku work together with the agent department ya runs ya mandates ya kulite runs, ila ne water ya mandates ya kulite water. As long as that one is not there, even at the executive, you yonka leave even the assembly. As long as we take away authority, autonomy ya kumba kulitangulia yao, still we can't move. So, bato tukaendelea kwa worse.
So which way, Meru?
Yeah?
Which way?
We in trouble. The best thing, ni kesi ya 14th, governor atangazwa Reverend Mutumanto I think here by lifting the conservatory Hondas. Then that case, no mero amberia go change here because we are initiates.
So, governor nothing? Atumbote the Meru? Kana imagamba yu kana ando ichutumbekyo chutumakawira ale mwi ku reason.
Yeah.
Na could deliver to the people.
Yeah,
could it be the reason on to put those walls? I mean,
no, to really, it has become impossible to deliver. It has become impossible to deliver. Everybody knows it. It has become literally impossible to deliver. So, imbiga atuma kombi kana moving forward.
Just a question. Is it all about political interest? For example, national politics, kana county politics? Ichichi kahinda Mumeru wana services from the government. Iraringera kura. Can it's all about the interest of Meru?
It is about the incompetence. Ira confirm even the President of the Republic of Kenya. Na kiari one time na ugere Nyameru kuna thina na the reason is incompetence. I'm quoting the President of the Republic of Kenya. So even to me, I confirm the same, the incompetence. But in your case, the very incompetent captain, Godi. You don't have to be a professor. You don't want to rocket science can perform. Ukomba tukulitangu ina mtu baku no with the very incompetent. Lakini ule na hizi mantu ya education ya kadhivya sisi ugo kuwa na nkela mantu ya education. Ule ya water na nkela ukabaliwe. Ekomba kulitangu ntiomba kuganto para baandikia batiomba ibombaga bationa a chance
But they were that freedom to deliver themselves, to do the work they
exactly
have, right?
This assembly is one of the best assemblies in this country.
Very true.
Easy na oversight here is super across the country. Ukenya kwede era wa good working relationship between executive na assembly, we would be very far kuraja muno mbere sana. Taka assembly yetu kiura enda gwikirwa mbiche by the executive no it's super very good assembly. Yes, na ina brains rikana ntuko emweria ria wakiri wetagwa Omari.
Yes.
You remember
yes,
Omari?
Yeah. Danson Omari.
Then these guys, the members of the county assembly.
Yes.
But vent some issues towards him.
Yes.
No, you were the kind of brains that was coming from
Exactly.
the assembly. So really, the assembly is competent. The executive as leaders competent there, but kutina room ya kulitanguke.
Tukirikiria Julius. If you look at Akwaila Kawira is going political way. Isiasa kuringa. My view, isiasa kuringa na ukolea. Na arekire kwa na checks. Yare ya nadami checks. It was also political. Now he's on ukolea. Right? Na metabenekea ukolea its numbers. How is Meru ka survive through politics? Nonto kuimbicha iranko na Kawira kenda kuonia the executive, the president, that he wouldn't na numbers. Baba angio kuona bato chama ni kare na other meetings bakubwithia, baba kondo chukuma Meru in the opposition, you have got no numbers but umbo ko gather these numbers. It's only me mbikyo kwa kura Meru. Is it all about the 2027 elections or service delivery to the Meru people? Nonto Meru ready itorikiri kuthira. Itorikiri ochoka nyuma. Ninde katuthira. Right? Now, is it all about siasa ya 2027? Can at least atakire kitiere within the 5 years to them Amiru Medebeko experience something good in their government that they elected?
Gondi, the only thing that can bring this change ni ukuona nande meeting a leadership you and then ultimately also the court giving a verdict to the county, the people's wishes. Let's see on even at the residence in the meeting and Deputy President of the Republic of Kenya. No, to me, shenanigans ingiri aja uju imanto ya politics ya 2027. This is kolea thing. Ne kali do mono kolea nkuluganya na ruku yereo Sunday zibiri uchi on the
zinafuatana mpaka 14 ipite.
Zinafuatana mpaka ipite. So because nenda the other side jaja kana any other station betaba ugatiri Department of Roads by way to the okay.
Barabara nkona kawira ingete picha mno.
Yeah, sure. This and this and this and this against this money. Unaona? Tuide njira hii na hii njira hizi against becha hizi. Antu wamerone. Oh, okay. Yeah, stick. Bete ki education. But with KCDE, ito akite kiras 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in the 2 years against this money. Bete kiri or education you get ito ekiri tebe sio for example kuro ekiri 50 million shillings. Iti ekiri 50 million. Na chio sukuru 1, 2, 3, 4 iti anywere ochuru. Kuna wekira mbesa na what the money did.
Exactly.
And again, Department of Water, we had to engineer, which is true. Engineer boreholes 30 or 33 boreholes. Kiba kile boreholes 33 chienja with machine ya county ende chi machine tumere maguta yaka na this amount of money chienja 33 boreholes. Na kaningi si aja no contract na kuma kida 33 boreholes inyanya kana 10 itinyunya kwa roji. No kona?
Yes.
On and on and on. Department of Health with the sibitari turarugura block fulani in this hospital. Ikaruma gura turarugura nero sibitari fulani. Kana sibitari 20 chiari na ndawa na ande monka na ande ke administration ya kwa sibitari 80 ichiona kandawa.
I want the briefing. On that to kudria Julio.
Yes.
In 30 seconds.
Yeah.
Mchamendo tarehe 16 maili 3.
Yeah, sure. Musima maili 3 tarehe 16 nyanija mutongeria ko join hands na tongere barmangi nkira ganto ba Meru alabali ndani ya Meru na ome ya Meru tuna musima tarehe 16 cha kwalia manto ja Meru ulitiko bwa Meru na project tia Meru kenda tumba kuona keki ya Meru.
Political direction.
Absolutely, even politics. Okay. Even politics is also there.
Right.
Without politics, as much as avoid the politics, you can't.
Yes.
So, plus politics, ntukwira, njoni twaraniriye, tulia Meru, tuchulie, tuetete atea. Akumau to umare, tuetete bwega, and to move at moving forward.
Right. Thank you so much, Julio.
Thank you.
Come along.
Thank you.
Tegera TV, thank you so much. Nontovetana ko Tegera TV ko kia. A beautiful morning. Tukware manto meigie siasa ya Kenya na siasa ya Meru. What next for Meru County? Time will tell. Better Captain Godita Patton. Good day. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Captain.